asamalita Omowakili Benjamin Bogongo injene wakirinde kokolera obisiane kutoka Nairobi. I think akaroso richiko Article 1 says that power belongs to the people. The power belongs to the people. The power does not belong to the president. As long as abantu bago demonstrate within the law, they're demonstrating within the law, following the law. They are not supposed to be shot at all. Onda wensi oraji go shoot yo monto etalinga kieli neri yakale uno muskalia wakali isasi bosaigo mo especially nango demonstrate kwalenge agwakeli isasi bosaigo. That police officer is going to be held personally liable. Personally reliable. Mwaro rachusi oyo ako mwana ondeli isasi gaiga town. Neki nabwate kina kiainga ndete court. Abaskari abaito mwana ondega iga Central Police Station uchwangi kwa Homa Bay. Ekina kiabo ngotikere. Abaskari bali baito mwana some years back. Mwana oliongoro kupepo pendo. Abaskari bali mwarara after like 6 years. Nabarabu ngoti bali. Abaskari na warate ubono iga bakali that impunity. Back to it in that impunity. Because in one way or another, the government is going to protect them. But it does not mean that the government which is going to come never protect. Igakero muskali akora kende gionsi tigabu ateri chiko. Igagera, they are also aware that you are not supposed to follow unlawful order or a stupid order, more especially at this time. Abantu barusiwe go demonstrate as long as bafole richiko. Maybe umuntu akuri isasi no liugo in that demonstration ere birengere byae ataite koiba. Bono mna mwaro cy'abantu bari bakiete umuntu bakoiba nende bamagusamba amali y'abantu. That is not the demonstration, that is staggering. In that circumstances, the police are entitled to use that excessive force, but only to not to abantu bali demonstrate buya. Sometimes abantu ngwandamana bali bataite baje gose no bisiga iga Nairobi kwa gose ne chiempi a petition. You know, you cannot strict them una mokwanda moandamane in a specific place. I believe that constitution dia contemplated into kabinekyo. Turatwara rende dictator. If you are going to have a dictator, omondore president or a dictator. Dictator yezeta iti ondebwensi andamane. You see, he can easily follow you, alias okwandamana geti agoite. Ekyagero ndeta yo okaligereti. But egero kwandamana go jaga iga town, azegero montaro, azegere camera ere. Goretere that pressure to the government yamanyana, things are not working. Like one oiga, things are not, let us be tigatokwa nabo baine. Things are not working. Besanchiyo. Gasinchiyo. The only alternative is to demonstrate, and you cannot restrict them at all. You cannot, because they are entitled, and that is the constitution. Power belongs to the people.